In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a message for everyone on WhatsApp Web. Understanding how to effectively manage your messages on WhatsApp is crucial, especially when mistakes happen or when you need to retract a message. Whether it was a message sent in error or one you wish to remove for any reason, this simple guide will walk you through each step. First, you'll want to open WhatsApp Web on your computer and navigate to the specific chat where the message you want to delete is located. If you're unfamiliar with WhatsApp Web, it essentially mirrors your mobile app onto your desktop, providing a larger interface which can be especially helpful for tasks like this. Now, once you're in the chat, scroll through to locate the particular message you wish to remove. Once you've found the message, let's proceed with deleting it. Right-click on the message. On a mobile device, you would typically hold down on a message, but the desktop version requires a right-click. This action will bring up a small menu with various options related to the message. Using this menu, you'll want to select the Delete option. This is your first indication that we are progressing towards removing the message permanently from both sides of the conversation. After clicking Delete, you'll notice a trash icon appearing below. This is designed to help visually confirm the deletion process as it unfolds. Click on this trash icon to make it clear that you are intending to proceed with removing the message from the chat. Finally, the crucial step. You'll see an option that says Delete for Everyone. This is the key part that ensures the message is removed not only from your chat window, but also from the chat window of everyone else involved in the conversation, effectively erasing it from existence. Click on Delete for Everyone, and with that, the message will be removed. Remember, deleting a message for everyone is a time-sensitive action. WhatsApp allows this option only within a certain time frame after the message is sent, so it's best to move quickly if you realize that a mistake has been made or if the content needs to be retracted for any reason. Also, do note that this action is irreversible. Once you've selected Delete for Everyone, the message cannot be restored, so be sure about your decision before confirming this last step. By following these steps attentively, you should find the process straightforward and efficient. It's a helpful feature for maintaining the privacy and clarity of your conversations. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in managing your WhatsApp communications. Feel free to explore other features of WhatsApp Web to better utilize the platform in your daily interactions.